Hi Shoebox friends, it's time for the August Filler Challenge. And this month's challenge is called Have a Ball because we are sending one of the most classic toys ever. These toys just bring instant joy. But before we jump into the August challenge, I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who participated in the July $5 school supply challenge. Because of your generosity, so many children around the world will be receiving much needed school supplies tucked inside their Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes. And I have to give a special shout out to Lisa, who put together an incredible 104 school supply filler packs. Now let's have a ball packing some shoebox fillers this August. So here are some of the items I've been collecting for this Have a Ball Filler Challenge for a few weeks now. And it's an uncharacteristically cloudy, stormy day here in Florida, so my lighting's not great. But I do have a great colorful variety here of different balls, and I'm excited to put these together. And as usual, this is just a guide to provide you with some ideas. And you can kind of make this your own with whatever you have in your own stash or whatever you might find on sale. So I'll quickly go over what I have here and where I got it. So if you want to try to find these items, you can, and I'll put any links in the description below as well. But over here is kind of my Hobby Lobby section, and they have had some summer toys that have been on sale, and I think they're down to 66% off, or maybe even more than that right now. So you might want to check your stores and see if they still have these items. But when I bought these, I think they were half off, which was still a pretty good deal. So I got these emoji type balls here, and they are a 6-pack. I paid $3 for them, so that's about 50 cents a ball. And I also got some of these fun moon balls, and these were half off as well. So it was basically $1 for each of the balls here, and that's a pretty good deal. You can get the same exact ball in Dollar Tree, and I believe it's $1.75 for one. So I picked up some of those. The pickleballs here were not part of their summer selection, I don't think. They're just part of their, it says yard toys or yard games. So I think I paid $3.99 for all 6 of them. And I really wanted the pickleballs because one of my little cards that I'll be using has these little pickleballs on them, or wiffle balls. So these were from Nicole at sweetteadaily.com, and I've laminated them so they're all different colors and they have different Bible verses on them. And these have been, I've had them for a little while now, so I've been waiting to do this filler challenge, but I thought they were so cute. So I'm going to be pairing up the little fillers here with one of these cards, and I'll be using these for all of my fillers for this challenge. These Squish Attack Orbit balls I found, I believe, last year at the Dollar General, and they are filled with a sand type material, so they are allowed to be sent as long as they don't have any liquid inside. And these ones here, you can stretch them or squish them, so they're kind of like a sensory stress toy that looks really cool, looks like a planet. So I have 2 of those, and I don't remember exactly what I spent on them, but I think they were on sale, so probably a couple dollars per orbit ball here. And then recently I found these larger bouncy balls. They have a soccer ball and a basketball style. They were at my Big Lots by the registers, and they were marked down to 25 cents each. So I picked up quite a few of these, and I already packed several of these in soccer ball boxes, but I'm going to include the remainder here in these Have a Ball filler packs. If you saw my recent Amazon haul, then you saw all of these larger bouncy balls that I picked up and that were sent to me for my birthday. These are 45 millimeters in diameter, so they are a larger bouncy ball. And if you compare it here to a regular size bouncy ball, you can see that they're quite a bit larger. So these can go in any age group and aren't a choking hazard. These smaller bouncy balls will be going in my 5 to 9 and 10 to 14-year-old filler packs. Some of these were from Valentine clearance at Hobby Lobby, like these little smiley face ones here. And then these ones here were from Amazon, and they come in a lot of cool styles. They have different planet-looking ones, and they're just shiny, sparkly, fun bouncy balls for the kids. I also featured these soccer ball whistles in one of my recent videos on sending soccer balls. So I have a few left over here that I'll be using up, as well as these soccer ball fidget spinners that I also used in that same video. And I can get one out here and show you how it spins. So you can hold these on the side and they spin for quite a while. It's a great little fidget spinner for the kids. These here are larger soccer balls. They are even larger than these other bouncy balls, probably about the same size as the pickleball. I got these off of Line Wholesale last year, and I had bought a whole bunch. So I've already packed probably close to 100 of these in shoe boxes last year, and I still have quite a few left. These are great because they light up when they're bounced, and they also squeak. So they're a bit of a sensory, squeaky, fun toy for the kids. I also have some inflatable beach balls. These ones here were from Target, and they were only 50 cents recently. I'm not sure they're still on sale, but I did pick up quite a few here. Beach balls are great to send since they lay flat in the shoe boxes, and also they can be any age, and I'm going to try to include some in these filler packs as well. They're definitely a bright, fun, celebratory item to include in fillers. I do have some Wow soccer balls and their pumps. I'll be packing some of these up as well to include as filler, and hopefully they'll bless shoe boxes that might not have a Wow gift or come through fairly empty. And then I just have some smaller fun items. I had these scented sport ball erasers from Valentine's Day, so I'll try to use some of these up today, and they come with really cute cards as well. And I recently picked up these sport-themed pencils. They're with Walmart's back-to-school items, and it was $1.47 for 12 pencils. I have some sharpeners to go with the pencils. I have these really nice sport ball stickers from Oriental Trading, and they all have Bible verses to go with them. And I also recently got these scripture bracelets. Each one has a different Bible verse with reference. So these are really nice, and I thought they were just colorful and a great item to include in the fillers as well. So I'm going to start with some 2 to 4-year-old fillers and just kind of go from there with some different ideas that I have. I wanted to make some 2 to 4-year-old fillers because often this age group can be harder to find fillers for at the processing center that are appropriate. And these are going to be really simple. I'm just using the IKEA cups and cutlery sets that you can get fairly inexpensively. I love to use these in my own shoe boxes. And all I'm going to do is kind of color match them. It worked out really well. There was exactly 6 colors of these different cards, and there were 6 colors of the pickleballs, and there were 6 colors of the cups and cutlery sets. So I'm going to kind of match them up, and it's just the pickleball here and the cup. And I just set it right on top like that. And then they'll also be getting a cutlery set. And I have it labeled here so that the processors know that these are intended for the younger children. And I'm going to just put them in a little bag here that I had and twist tie it together. So simple, easy, but a really cute filler gift for the younger children. Look how cute these all are, matched up with their colors. So there's 2 of each set. And the only one that didn't quite have the right color ball was the purple one. So they're getting a white ball. But everything else, there was exactly the right color cutlery set, ball, and matching card. So I love these. I think they'll provide fun and some essentials for the younger kids and definitely help fill up some boxes and bring some joy to shoe boxes that might need it. I love how these turned out. They're just really sweet for the 2 to 4-year-olds. And I think they'll be just what is needed for some shoeboxes at the processing center. For my next idea, I wanted to use up some of the cups that I've had for a little while now in my stash. I got these larger ones, I think last year from Hobby Lobby, and you could get them again this year. They're part of the spring collection, but they're definitely a larger cup. And then this 3-pack here is from the Dollar Tree, and I do like these because they're nice and wide, so they can fit quite a bit inside. And these ones here are also from the Dollar Tree. I believe you get 4 for $1.25, so that's a pretty good deal. But right now I have 3 of each color there. So I'm just going to kind of see what I can put together. I'm going to do some sport-themed ones with some of the specific sport balls that I have. And I have some of these sport items over here. And then I also think I might do some kind of outer space themed cups with different balls with the space theme. So I'm just going to play around and see what I can come up with by filling up these cups. These larger ones from Hobby Lobby, I can fit a beach ball right in there. And since there's 6 different colors again, and there's 6 of these pickle balls, plus 6 of these emoji balls, I'm going to start by filling them up with those, and then kind of filling in the spaces with maybe some smaller bouncy balls and different items, maybe some of the scripture bracelets. And then I'll need this larger organza bag to hold everything since it is pretty tall. But I do like having these cups and the different sizes because they do contain everything really well. So I think that's a great way to send filler like this where things won't be hopefully rolling all over the place and you just need a larger bag to put it in. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love these and how they turned out. I'm not going to label them gender or age. I think they could go any age. I didn't put any of the smaller choking hazard items in here, so they are fine for any age. But it is so awesome to see sometimes how the small details come together. So I was able to color coordinate these really well with what I had. So I like this one here is the orange cup. There's an orange emoji ball, and then an orange larger bouncy ball, the orange wiffle ball, and then I included a matching scripture bracelet. So all of these will be getting 4 different balls, plus the scripture card and the scripture bracelet, and a really nice cup. And I just love how they're all color coordinated. So that makes me really happy. And I think these will add quite a lot of color and joy into some shoe boxes. So I just need to put them in these larger bags here and they'll be all ready to go. And here they are, all 6 done, ready to go. I think they're really cute and just bright and fun for the kids. I decided to use the larger white cups to hold some of the sport themed items, and I'll label these for boys 5 to 14. So here's one already put together, and I'm just going to use one of these larger party favor plastic bags to hold everything. But basically what's included, they're getting 4 sport themed pencils. They're also getting a sport whistle, a fidget soccer ball spinner. They're getting 3 of these scripture stickers, a little card here that has a scented eraser, the larger light up soccer ball, a prayer card, a larger bouncy ball, and I forgot to put, they're also getting these scripture bracelets. So all of those items will fit inside these larger cups, and I think they'll be perfect for the older boys. So here's the 3 sports themed cups, and I did add a little smiley face bouncy ball on top as well. So here is how I did the smaller cups. For the pink ones, I kind of stuck with a pink color theme. So they're getting a larger bouncy ball, a smaller bouncy ball, a smaller smiley face bouncy ball. They also have the pink prayer card, a pink whistle, a scripture bracelet, and a pink soccer ball at the bottom. So those are very girly, and since it has the smaller bouncy balls, I put 5 to 14 for the label. Since I had 2 of the orbit balls, I only did 2 of these kind of space-themed cups, and I labeled it boy or girl 5 to 14. So they have the really cool moon ball on top. They have a scripture bracelet, the scripture card. I thought this kind of looked like outer space, this purpley bouncy ball. And then they also have 2 of the smaller bouncy balls that look like planets. And the orbit ball is there at the bottom. So those are really neat, and I think will definitely be fun for the kids. All right, I have quite a few fillers already done, so I'm going to do a few more ideas, and we'll see how many have a ball fillers I can get done today. I'm trying to use up bags that I have and different items that I've been holding on to in my stash for a little while. So I'm going to use some of these Merry Christmas bags that I got at Hobby Lobby last Christmas when they were on clearance. And these are going to be simple fun packs. They'll have a larger ball and then 2 of the medium-sized bouncy balls and a scripture bracelet with a little prayer card. And I'm just going to use up some of these soccer balls here from Lion Wholesale to make these packs. We'll see how many I can do. Okay, I was able to put together 11 of these smaller fun packs, and they're just a great size to add into shoe boxes that might have something removed, maybe a bar of soap or something on the do not send list, and they'll just provide a classic toy that the children, I think any age, would really enjoy these. So super simple, but hopefully helpful at the processing center. For my Wow soccer balls, I thought I would reuse this mesh bag that the pickle balls came in. So here's one put together. I just was able to fit, this is a size 4 soccer ball, and it's wrapped up with the pulp on the inside. I included the scripture card, a whistle, and a little fidget spinner, and a scripture bracelet. And so this is a Wow-sized have a ball filler that should hopefully really bless a shoebox. I'm going to do one more here with this other soccer ball that I have ready to go. Here are my Wow packs ready to go, and you can just send in soccer balls by themselves. You don't have to have some sort of bag to put them in. Just try to include a pump if you can. That really does help. And last but not least, I had several clearance FIFA World Cup items that I found recently at Walgreens for only $1. So I'm going to put together some soccer-themed filler packs, and these will be a little bit more of a wow as well. They'll each get 2 of the little soccer ball fidget spinners, some FIFA party glasses, a FIFA shirt here that has the trophy on the front. And these will be for boys age 5 to 9 just because that's what the t-shirt size fits best. They're getting a card here, scripture bracelet, one of the soccer ball bouncy balls. This here was in a Happy Meal, and it's a little squishmallow. So I'll get him out and show you what he looks like, but it's a great little plush for the filler. And they'll be getting a sport whistle. This is what the plush looks like. He is a squishmallow named Clutch, and he's supposed to be representing the USA. So very cute. And I think 5 to 9-year-old boys would love these soccer packs. So here are all of the items for my Have a Ball August Filler Challenge. If I counted correctly, there should be 41 different filler packs, and hopefully this gave you some ideas and inspiration on how to send such a fun classic toy from smaller bouncy balls to larger wow-sized filler packs. Comment below and let me know which filler pack was your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't for year-round Operation Christmas Child inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next week, happy packing. God bless. Bye.